we are going to learn about Unit 8, that is Part 2, My Silly Sister. Here this is the story of My Silly Sister. Here one boy is there who is describing about his sister. In this story, one mother, one girl and one boy is there, right? That boy is the brother of that sister. He is the elder brother, right? Now what he is doing? He is complaining about his sister to his mother. In your book, that first picture is also given to you. That boy is speaking to his mother as he is showing his hand like this. Behind that boy, that one girl is sitting over there. At this picture, you can come to know that boy is describing and he is saying something about his sister. Now in this story, what is there? Do you know? That one boy is there, what he is doing? He is speaking, that complaining about his sister. Now what sister is doing to him? What he is complaining? So let's come to the chapter. I am going to explain you about that story. Here, brother is saying, your mother, your baby is silly. Here, mother is said, mother, your baby. Here, your baby word is described for that girl. What he is saying? Mother, your baby is silly. She is so childish. What he is saying? Silly and childish. Now let me clear what is silly. S-I-L-L-Y, silly means mad, or else you can say stupid. Right, students? Next word he has used for his sister, childish. What is childish? Like a small child. Why he is saying these things? These two words are spoken by a boy for his sister. He is using these two words for his sister, silly and childish. He is saying to his mother, your baby is silly, means she is so stupid. She is behaving like a small child. Why he is saying this thing? Because he is saying that your baby is not aware. She does not know. There is a difference between street lights and the bright stars. Here the word meaning is bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright means shining. Right? Now what she is thinking here, girl? That girl is thinking, do you know what is street lights? Street lights means the lights which are available on road. At the time of night, that lights are on at the road. Right, students? Now what girl is thinking? That's light of that street light and the bright star which are in the sky. They are also shining at the time of night. She is thinking these both things are same only. She doesn't know the difference because that street lights we are using at road, but these stars are shining in the sky. So that much difference is there. That then also she is not aware there is a difference between them. Now next what he is saying, that when we are playing together. What he is saying, when we are playing together. When we are playing together means here that when brother and sister both are playing together with pebbles. Here the word is pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. Sometimes you are also playing with small stones. Some games are also there which we can play with small stones. When they both are playing with pebbles, what she is doing? She is trying to keep that pebbles in her mouth. Why she is keeping that pebbles in her mouth? Because what she is thinking? These are not the pebbles. She is thinking this is our real food. So she is eating. Not eating, she is trying to keep that pebbles in her mouth. Is it good? Can we eat that pebbles? No, it is not good. We can't eat that stones. Right, students? Because she is she is behaving like a small child only. That's why she is trying to keep that pebbles in her mouth. Which thing he is saying to his mother? He is saying that when he is asking to his sister to do some lessons, when he is asking to open a book, but sometimes he is opening the book before her. What she is doing? He is asking to learn ABC, to do lessons of ABC. She is not reading, she is not doing any lesson. Instead of listening, what she is doing? She is tearing the pages with roads and what she is doing? She roars with joy. Here the word is roars with joy. Here the roars with joy word means is laugh loudly when you are happy. Now here when boy is asking not to do lessons of ABC, what she is doing? She is tearing the pages. She is laughing loudly because she is happy. Now what boy is saying to his mother? Is this way? Is this way he is learning? Why? Because he is saying, because जब वो अपनी उसका sister को बोलता है learn करने के लिए, then also she is not doing any of the lessons. She is tearing the pages with her hands only. Right? So that's why he is saying to his mother, क्या वो उसका way है learn करने का? Now next, what he is saying, sometimes he is getting angry on her sister because she is not listening any of his brother thing. So what he is doing? He is shaking his hand in anger. Here the word is shake. S-H-A-K-E. Shake means to move. To move means when we are using our head, when we are moving our head like this. In sometimes angry. When we are getting angry on someone, so we are using head like this, right? So that in this manner only, that boy is also getting angry on his sister because she is not listening his thing. So he is angry and he is scolding her. Here the word is scold. S-C-O-L-D. Scold means to shout. To shout. Sometimes when it is happening, so if you are not obeying any of the rule or any of the thing, parents or teachers are also scolding you. Why? Because you are not obeying their rules. So what he is doing also, he is shouting on his sister and calls her naughty because she is not listening any of the thing. Then also she is not realizing any of the thing. That my brother is getting angry. Then also what she is doing? She is thinking in a fun only. She is thinking that is a joy, means it is a great fun only. Now sometimes what brother is doing for in a fun only, what he is doing, sometimes he is calling his father. What is happening now? Everybody is aware about that father is not available at home. As he is not at home, then also what he is doing, he is calling his father. He is calling his father for a fun only, for playfully. So what she is doing now, that girl is also aware that father is not available at home. But when boy is calling his father loudly, so what she is doing at that time only, she is looking here and there. Why? Because she is in excitement कि सच में पापा है यहाँ पे. Here the words are playfully. Playfully means for fun, as the brother is calling his father in a fun only. Next is call out. Call out word is used that when brother is calling his father, so what is that? He is calling his father loudly. So call loudly. Here the word is excitement. Excitement means great joy. Now when someone is asking you that we are going for a picnic next day, so what are you doing? You are also getting excitement. Yes, we are going for a picnic. In this way only she is getting excitement. Yes, excitement means great joy, right? So at that time only she started looking here and there. सच में पापा आ गए. In this way she was getting excitement by listening his father. Now next word is used here, away. Away means here word is written that father is away. Away means not at home. Not at home, as he is not available at home, right? Now the next is sometimes what is happening now? Sometimes when washerman is coming at their home. Who is coming at their home? Washerman. You all know what is washerman? Washerman means who is washing our clothes. Now washerman is bringing the donkey. Why he is bringing the donkeys? He is bringing the donkey to take away, to carry away that dirty clothes. Right, students? To carry away. Here the word is to carry away. To carry away means to take away. Now, when washerman is coming with his donkeys, that what brother is doing? He is holding that donkeys. He is taking that class of donkeys. Now, washerman is going inside of the house for collecting the dirty clothes. Now, that brother is standing outside. He is taking care of donkeys. Right. Now, what he is saying to his sister? Now, I am the schoolmaster. What he is saying? I am the schoolmaster of these donkeys. Now, you don't make any noise, as I am the headmaster. I am the schoolmaster. Then only she is keeping quiet. Otherwise, she is always making noise. She is not taking him any serious. Now, when boy is asking that कि वो schoolmaster है, अब आप कोई भी आवाज नहीं करोगे, then only she is keeping quiet. When brother is asking him, he is a schoolmaster, so what he is doing? He is warning his sister that now don't make any noise. Now what he is asking him? What is asking his sister? She should call him Dada. She should call him Dada. D-A-D-A. Dada means big brother. Dada means big brother, as he is the elder brother of his sister. So that's why he is insisting. He is insisting means he is asking her that she should call him Dada. Insisting means to forcefully. So at that time he is asking she should call me Dada, because as he is a big brother. Now last what he is saying, that she wants to catch the moon. Is it possible now? Can we catch the moon? Because moon is in the sky. It is not possible for us. So can we catch the moon? So now what she is thinking here? The girl is thinking she wants to catch the moon. Your baby is funny. In this sentence he is using the word is funny. As he is talking, as he is complaining all the things to his mother. He is sharing all the things of her sister with his mother. Right. Now at the end what he is saying, that mother, your baby is such कि क्या है वो funny है. क्या करना चाहती है वो? moon को catch करना चाहती है. Is it possible? No. So that's why he is saying his sister that she is really funny. Your baby is silly. She is so childish. At the end also he is saying कि वो बहुत ही silly है, बहुत ही stupid है. She is so like childish. Here, as I have explained you, that boy is complaining about his sister. He is sharing all the things with his mother. In these things, which words he has told for his sister, like silly, childish, funny, because of her things. She was not taking any serious him. Right, students? So I hope it is clear to all of you what I have explained you in this video. It is clear to you. Just go through once with this video and watch this video. If you face any doubt or query regarding this video explanation part, you can ask me. I will solve your queries in your live session. Thank you. Have a nice day.